Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's been a very chill morning. I just showered, did my hair. I want to do my nails. I'm not sure if I should do this now. I'll probably do that tomorrow because I do my own nails and it takes like 2 hours for me to do that. By the way guys, very random, but this is the tripod I use for my phone. It is so light and if I close it, it becomes super small. And it was so cheap. I got it from AliExpress. If anyone's interested, I can leave the link or just ask me if I forgot to link it and I'll give you the link. It also has this, so you know it's straight, anyway, you get it. And it can go higher than this. This is not the height. I think it can go up to here.
Wow! Amazing!
So here's the before.
Wait, no, I
I usually don't film when it's nighttime, but sometimes I film my makeup. So now I have something that will... Ooh, not bad. It's a big difference. Okay. I'll show you the rest of the stuff I got tomorrow.
Good morning guys, it's the next day and it's very early for me. It's not even 9 yet. I'm going to my boyfriend's company because I need to get some money from them because I work with them as well. Yeah, when I get back I'll show you what I got. By the way, this is one of the things that I got yesterday. It's just a plain white shirt. I'll show it to you better later.
Hi. Hello. Bye.
احلى شيء بالكنيسه انا معود بلبنان نحن ما بنحط تمنا على الملعقه، هو اللي بيعملها. فوقفت قدامه ورحت انا ما تناولت.
Finally back home. I had some work to do at the Corniche And I got this from Starbucks. It's the 4-cheese sandwiches. And I'm gonna heat it in the microwave, watch some Friends, and just sleep. I'm exhausted. Here's what's happening today. Getting rid of a lot of my clothes. I'm gonna clean the floors. So I took a few pictures for the candle business, but I don't know how that's going. I'm not sure I want to like do a big deal out of it. So yeah, today we had a very deep cleaning, throwing day. So we used to have a huge rug here and here. We decided to throw them out because they are impossible to clean, and so it just looks way better like that. The house looks much bigger. Room looks so much bigger. I'm pretty sure no one's gonna notice, but whatever. I also cleaned these 2 fake plants. I'm so happy. I don't know why. I just always wanted to remove them, put them outside, and like spray them with water. And I'm so satisfied right now that I did that. They look much greener now. They used to be like so pale because they were dusty, and it was so hard to clean like each leaf. There was no way I was gonna do that. I really want to drink my avocado, but it's Ramadan. Oh. Yum. I love this. It is